Hello friends, welcome to chessmate.com. In today's chess video, I am going to show you some amazing chess opening tricks. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's start with the opening white d4 and then black plays e5. This black opening not usually played so often. Many white players don't know how to tackle it. So here white takes the black pawn, then black brings its knight to c6 position by attacking the pawn. White plays knight to f3 to give a support to pawn. Black plays queen to e7. Again give one more attacking with the queen. White plays bishop to f4 by giving a one more support. So here we are going to play a stunning move, that is queen to b4 by giving a check as well as attacking the bishop. If we see this game, the white has two logical moves. To block his king, either has to bring queen to d2 or bishop to d2. So let's go to both the possibilities. If he brings queen to d2, then he is gone. Let's see how. Black takes b2 pawn with the queen by attacking the rook. So to save the rook, so now the white rook is in trouble. To save the rook, the only way is by offering the queen for exchange. That is by placing the queen to c3. So, but we have a stunning move, that is bishop to b4. So this queen is now gone. So the white only has an option to take our bishop with the queen. So our next move will be simply by taking the queen with our queen at b4 position. So by giving the check as well as attacking the bishop. Let's go back. If the white blocks his king with a bishop, that is by placing bishop to d2 position. Then black takes b2 pawn with a queen. So next the white has two moves to save his rook. Either has to play bishop to c3 or with his knight to c3. So let's go through both the possibilities. If the white moves correctly, then he will be having a good advantage. But he messes it up, then he will definitely lose the game. So if the white plays, that is bishop to c3, then we take our bishop to b4. If he takes our bishop with their bishop at b4, then we take their bishop with our knight to b4. So attacking the c2 pawn. After attacking the c2 pawn, we are going to double attack the king as well as the rook. So this will be the very bad position for the white. So to save it, white has to sacrifice his knight. So by placing simply knight to a3 position. So now the black takes a3 knight with the queen by sacrificing his knight. So let's go back. If he plays the queen to d2, then we simply take their bishop c3 with our b4 bishop. Now if white has two possibilities. Either he has to take their our bishop with the queen or with the knight. If it takes our bishop with the queen, then he is gone. So our black next move will be the checkmate, that is by placing the queen to c1. So this is the bad option for the white. So only option is left is taking our bishop with the knight by sacrificing the rook. So now the black plays queen to a1 by catching the white rook, a1 rook, so giving the check. So white has to play the knight to d1. So if we analyze this game, more or less the white loses his game. So now if we see the game, the black has a very strong position to win the game. So to learn more and more such a chess tricks and to become a good player, then please do subscribe, share and like that thumb button. Thank you.